So, start up here. So, welcome again, TikTok. So here we are today. We have just finished, right? Reinsulate our pattern, our giants there. So there at the top there we have this is a three phase 4-wire Edison Delta system, right? 3 live wire and the neutral, right? And as I said here, right? This giant was broke down. So what we have to do is use some unpack and make the giants there, right? And re-insulate it with our high temperature tape and color code it with our red, yellow, and blue. I remember now the 190 leg is the yellow, and the blue and the red is the 210 leg, and of course you have the neutral there at the top, and they also color coded. So one of the main thing electricians out there ensure that when they're doing these joints, they either use the necessary crimping device, 1 bolt clamp, or an impact. So in this case, you see now we have parallel 2 cables, right? And it is attached to a 4-knot conductor, a 4-knot quad service wire, right? And our linesman, Mr. Brian, has just finished doing our termination, and Mr. Brian is going to come now, and we are going to have a talk with Mr. Brian. Yes, so Mr. Brian, so far, you have done. Come here, Mr. Brian. So far, you have done a good work, Mr. Brian. And I just want you to just tell those folks out there in TikTok land what you did a while ago, right?
We just re-insulate the cable.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So it's the impact joint.
Yeah.
So that the customer can get normal voltage.
Yeah, reliable and stable voltage, right?
Yeah.
Because the giants were broke down, right?
Exactly.
Because this building is a 50-year-old commercial complex, right? So what we're doing here today now is a preventative maintenance on this building, right? Right. So and you say you went through service the pattern. Yeah. So normally now, Mr. Brian, like a giant like this now, what do you use now to make the giants?
The unpack.
You use the unpack, yeah. And you have a gun, you use a machine, you use it to unpack it, right? And the reason why we have to use the unpack, what I mean thing now, is separate now. We normally separate the copper wire from the aluminum wire, right?
Yeah.
So electricians out there now who just making giants, especially the potted, and putting on just banding of the copper, the aluminum, right? Stop it, right? Do the thing the right way. So that's why I said, no, you have to lower the electrical work, lower the thing the right way, and follow the code and the same standard, right? Exactly. So that's why we have there now. The service wire is a quad 4-knot.
Yeah, 4-knot.
We have a 4-knot quad right there, right? Because this is a 400 amp main 3 phase Edison Delta system, right? And so this joint. So normally again, now one thing I want to emphasize again. The difference between a linesman and an electrician, because you're a good linesman, you're not an indoor electrician, right?
No.
Right?
Outdoor lineman.
You're an outdoor lineman. It's a totally different work.
Totally different work
from the person who work at building, right?
Yeah.
Because normally people see person working on GPS truck and so forth, have them say that they're electrician. They're not real electrician, they're linesmen. They are linesmen, right? And you're a linesman, right? Because normally you don't take on what you know, so you don't trade in, right?
No.
Because I know you're a good linesman, right? So that from time to time I make you come on my jobs, right? Because I know that I'm going to get a good work,
exactly.
Right? And I normally kind of standard, and I don't have the feedback from the work where I know, right? Right? So dear youngster, so Mr. Brian, thank you for this look around, what I want. And I know we are going to the next phase, we are going to plant a pole, a 25-foot pole, and elevate that service wire.
Right.
So all right. So come now, so that's it from TikTok for this video. Right, so remember now, right, we there's our potted there, and we have parallel 2 sets of wire. I remember when you're going to parallel wire, the wires must normally be the same size, the same insulation, right, and the same length, right? So there are some standard there, right, that electricians supposed to get familiar with. Follow the code and do it the right way. And all those electricians out there who putting 3 black wire and 3 green wire and pattern, want to stop it and do the thing the right way. Youngsters, right, as I say, follow the code, do the thing the right way, and go on our page, the Jamaica Master Electricians Alliance page, and go and take up the mock exams and the definition which you are putting out there, right? So until next time, that's it for this video. Thank you.